Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn how to use this breadboard, how to make a basic circuit on this breadboard. We have two different types, they work or same, the bigger one and smaller one. So we will try on first on this one. We will make a LED glow on this circuit. So why we use breadboard to prototyping the circuits without soldering them or without twisting the wires together or make a unstable messy circuit. Instead of that, we use breadboard or prototyping board. To make the connections on the breadboard, we use this type of hookup wires. These are the 25 to 28 gauge tinned copper wire, a solid wire, not a multi-strained. Or we can use this kind of jumper wires. These are the smaller ones and we have longer ones too. Okay, so I have few components. LED resistor. I will be using this battery 3.4.2 volts. Okay, so first let me draw a circuit. LED connecting it to a resistor and to a battery. See, positive side of the battery and the negative side of the battery. Resistor has no polarity. Okay, and the LED, this one is the positive side of the LED and this one is the negative side of the LED. So we have to make this circuit on this breadboard. See, these two terminals, the negative terminal of the LED connected to one terminal of the resistor and another terminal of the resistor connected to negative of the battery, and the positive of the battery connected to positive of the LED. So how this breadboard works, these lines called power rails, these holes are interconnected, they are connected internally, so we can make connections without twisting wires or soldering wires, just with using plugging the wires or pins. These holes are connected vertically, interconnected. Okay, if you can see numbers row wise, 1 2 3 up to 30 this side, 30 this side, and these power rails are connected horizontally, so we can make connections. We can see as in the circuit, if we want to connect negative of the LED to one terminal of the resistor, so we need two holes, so we have to connect resistor and LED on the any hole of same row. Okay, so just following circuit. This is the LED. The longer one is the positive and the smaller one is negative, so I'm plugging horizontally. See, both of the terminals on different rows. If you can see, I plugged here the positive and here the negative. Okay, so this row will be connected to negative and this row connected to positive. So as the circuit, according to circuit, negative of the LED connected to negative of the resistor and again negative of the battery. So I connect one terminal of the resistor on negative row and the other terminal resistor on negative of the power rail. And now we have to, according to the circuit, we have to connect positive of the LED to positive of the battery. Okay, so So I'm using this jumper wire to connect one terminal on positive row. Here, see, I connected negative on negative, positive on positive to the positive of the power rail. See, I have connected resistor on negative rail and this wire on positive rail. So it made a circuit without any twisting the wires or soldering. Now just I have to plug this battery. Just plugging this wire. See, LED glowed. So these how breadboard works. In next tutorials I will explain the breadboard in detail and how to make many circuits. Okay, then see you later. Bye.